are you? Welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new here, hi, this is Shreyoshi and welcome to my channel. So before starting this video, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel to never miss any update. And yes, white nails are back and I took the risk. I know after lunch I am gonna stain, like right hand will be stained, but anyways, okay, left hand to aise hi rahega. And I am loving my nails. It is looking so sexy. And yeah, white nails are like beautiful, but yeah, it's very hard to maintain. Anyways, so today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys the things which I have been loving in the month of May, and this kind of a video actually helps you a lot, so I try to keep doing this thing. So yeah, if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. Okay, so for this month I have some amazing product which you should definitely try, and trust me, the product is starting from ₹3, I guess. Yes, ₹3, and I am not exaggerating the thing, it is actually the ₹3. Okay, so the first thing which is like my absolute favorite and like which is saving me every single day is this is Alan Truma's hair brush, like blow dryer hair brush, and this has to be one of the best hair tools I have ever came across. And I didn't use too much of hair tools, so I can't guarantee you, but trust me guys, this product is so handy. This is actually normal a hair brush. You just need to comb your hair and within just 2 to 3 minutes your hair will be set. Okay, so next move on to the second product which is I am obsessing over is this is one Skyn, SKYN, I don't know how to pronounce the name. So this is basically a makeup removing tissue, but it is reusable. So it has like I think 10 kind of a pad, like makeup removing pad. So 5 for like your face, 5 for your eyes, and one pad you can use up to 200 times. So this is saving me a lot because I have to do makeup almost like thrice in a week, so I need lots of cotton pads. So this is saving me a lot. First of all, it's very pocket friendly. I don't need to buy too much of cotton pads. Second of all, it's good for environment, and thirdly, it's good for your skin because cotton pad can give you like a little bit of tiny scratches which can develop further like smile lines and wrinkles, but it will not give you that kind of a thing because it is made with bamboo. Okay, next move on to the product which is again saving me is this is actually a brush cleanser, you can say. So you just need to hold it like this, pakdo ise, and ye brush lo, thoda sa like shampoo le lo, and you just need to do this and your brush will be cleaned in just a second. So I know कि last time मैंने कब अपना brush clean किया था, but I need to clean my eyebrushes like almost every week because बहुत ज़्यादा डर्टी हो जाता है. एंड यू कैन सी फ्रॉम माई फेस दैट करेंटली आई एम डूइंग लाइक अ वेरी बोल्ड काइंड ऑफ आई मेकअप, इसीलिए तो मुझे ब्रश की लाइक स्पेशली आई ब्रशेस मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा क्लीन करना होता है. सो इट्स वेरी हेल्पफुल. यू कैन इवन डू इट इन लाइक अ बेसिन ऑल्सो. थोड़ा सा हैंड सोप लो एंड इसको ऐसे करो एंड इट विल बी क्लीन इन जस्ट अ सेकेंड. सो या डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस एंड इट्स वेरी चीप. आई गेस इट्स अंडर 50 rupees I believe. So yeah, definitely try this. Okay, so next move on to a facial tool which is this. I bought this from Amazon back like last year मैंने इसको खरीदा था and it's really good. You just need to like I have like a full video on it how to use it. You can totally check that. So basically is that it has a on and off button and open button. तो open button पर you need to open this and इसके अंदर आप you just need one battery and इसको बंद करो and उसके बाद जब इसको आप ऑन करते हो so can you hear the vibration? So ये vibration होगा and you just need to do like this. It's a basically facial massager tool, and also as it's like improve the blood circulation, it will help to control your acne and pimples, and also it will give you like a beautiful chiseled kind of a jawline. So I love this. I am like जब भी मैं शीट मास्क इस्तेमाल करती हूँ या फिर कोई भी फेशियल ऑयल इस्तेमाल करती हूँ, I love to use it. Do not use it on dry face. कुछ भी इस्तेमाल करने के बाद ही इसे इस्तेमाल करो, like any kind of a serum, oil or sheet mask. Definitely try this. After 20 it will help you a lot. If you are like under 18, do not try this because your skin is already very healthy. So after 20 try this. Okay, so next move on to a medicine. So this is not like a proper medicine. So it's basically a multivitamin for woman and girl. I am telling you that this is one of the best multivitamin I took in my life. I'm gonna buy it again. It's absolutely finished. Like ये थोड़ा सा like जो होता है मेडिसिन के पैकेट में वही है. Other than that, it's totally finished. So the thing is that it's from like a true basic omen multivitamin for women. So it has like everything, all kind of a vitamin, zinc and everything it has. So of course it will help you this corona situation pe. You need lots of vitamins, so that to help you. And secondly, it's a beauty product. Okay, so I like if you have like any kind of a problem like diabetes or pressure, consult with your doctor, but I don't think it will harm you because it's multivitamin for women, and it's also, I think, dermatologist tested. Yes, it's FSSAI certified, so it will not harm you anyway. But still, if you have doubt, you can consult with your doctor. So like apart from the vitamins and minerals, it actually helps to improve your skin, nails and hair. And I am telling you that this product is magically work on my skin, hair and nails. My skin is looking extremely glowing nowadays, finger crossed, just because of this product, because my skincare is same. I haven't changed anything. Only thing I was taking the whole month of May is this, and after that I can see this glow. I haven't used any highlighter. I will upload this makeup tutorial on my Instagram, so you will see that it's my natural glow, and I can say that it's only because of this product. And also look at my nails. So मैंने नेल कट कर दिया था, आई थिंक मे की 10th या 15th को मेरे लाइक आई कट माई नेल्स, लाइक बहुत छोटा करके मैंने कट कर लिया था, बट विद इन लाइक 2 weeks it grow back again like this stage just because of this. And also my hair, मैंने हेयर कट किया था 25th of मार्च को, एंड उसके बाद मैंने हेयर कट नहीं किया है. एंड मैंने दैट टाइम बहुत ही ज़्यादा शॉर्ट कर लिया था, लाइक इतना तक मैंने शॉर्ट कट लिया था मार्च पे, या विद इन लाइक 2 months ये इतना से इतना तक हो गया है. एंड जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस आई कैन एश्योर यू दैट इट विल like save your life. Like if you have like a hair fall problem, like अगर आपकी nails बढ़ता नहीं है, if you have any kind of a skin issue, try this and you are gonna love this. And trust me guys, it has to be one of the best multivitamin ever. So I have very few products left, so next move on to a skincare product, which is this is 10% niacinamide from Dermaco. And this has to be the lifesaver for me, because I am telling you that May pe I was constantly eating mangoes every single night, and that's why my skin went for a toss, and I had so many of redness, not breakout, I will say redness, like nose पे हुआ था, cheek पे हुआ था, chin पे हुआ था, forehead पे हुआ था, and I was like, oh my god, why? But still I was eating mangoes constantly because I know it will heal. So I was only thing I was using Mepe, which is this serum. This is 10% niacinamide, and it works on my skin like within 2 to 3 days. Dermaco's all products are like so freaking active that it will show you result within like 1 week. So if you are suffering from acne, like redness or pimple mark or active acne, just try this. I can guarantee you, okay, I can guarantee you within 1 week everything will be healed. And the 3 rupees का जो product है, I'm gonna show you at last. जो last makeup product है, which is this is Revolution Atami X Revolution palette. And you know that this palette has to be one of the best colorful palette in the market. And currently you can see from my eye makeup that I am doing very very bold and loud kind of a eye makeup, which is very uncommon, because I am like playing with colors nowadays, from white to blue to green, yellow. And if you notice that कि जब मैं कोई भी कलर चूज करती हूँ, वो मैं सॉलिड कलर चूज करती हूँ. लाइक टुडे इज अ रेड कलर and it's only red. So this palette is like the only palette I am using Mepe, because it has every freaking color. And उसके साथ साथ इसके जो sparkle भी होता है, like these are the all mattes and these are the all shimmer. So you will get all the kind of shimmer and all the kind of matte. If you are someone who loves color, so only palette you need in your life is this. It's little bit of pricey but it's worth the money because it's so pigmented, like आप इस्तेमाल करने के बाद आपको लगेगा कि मैं थोड़ा सा ब्लेंड कर लूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा ही हो गया. एंड नाउ आई एम गोना शो यू द प्रोडक्ट जिसके लिए आप वेट कर रहे थे, which is only ₹3 is this. This is a pressed sheet mask. So I have like a full video how to use it. I am gonna attach the link ऊपर और description box पे. So this is basically a pressed sheet mask. तो आप कोई भी लिक्विड बनाओ लाइक मिल्क और रोज वाटर और एलोवेरा जेल और लेफ्ट ओवर सीरम फ्रॉम योर शीट मास्क, इसके अंदर अगर आप ये डिप कर लो तो इट विल फॉर्म अ न्यू शीट मास्क. सो शीट मास्क जनरली मिनिमम प्राइस ₹100 होता ही है. यू आर गेटिंग योर न्यू ब्रांड न्यू शीट मास्क, लाइक यू जस्ट नीड टू इन्वेस्ट ओनली ₹3. लाइक अमेजोन से मैंने ये परचेस किया था. 50 शीट मास्क का एक पैकेट था, मैंने उसको खरीदा था. सो डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस वन इंस्टेड ऑफ स्पेंडिंग लाइक hundreds of money, because generally people think that sheet mask is like the waste of money because you are using it only for one time, but sheet mask is really very important. You have to understand that. So instead of spending ₹100 you can spend ₹3 and you are good to go. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you have loved this and find something useful. So if you ask me कि कौन सा वाला मेरा सबसे ज़्यादा फेवरेट है, I can't tell you because these are my favorite and this was saving me in the month of May. That's why I am telling you. So hopefully you have enjoyed this. So see you guys on my next video. Till then, bye. Stay happy. Stay at home. Okay, don't go outside. So stay at home, stay happy and stay positive. Bye bye.